Hi there. So you've been asked to review an e-learning module from the Artha team. I'm here to give you some easy pointers on how to make the best use of your time. Let's start with how the platform works. You would receive a simple web link from our team. That web link will open up your e-learning module. Sometimes there might be a password associated with it. The link comes with the review pane inbuilt. If you don't see it right away, click on the collapsed icon here and it will pop up. You may have to enter your email the very first time, and then you can post comments directly on the review pane. The system records what screen you were at when you post your comment. Other reviewers on your team can see your comments and they can then build on your thoughts or respond to your questions. You can respond to their questions. You can also go to the feedback tab here to see all the comments in one place. Here are some things you want to keep in mind for an effective review. Try to make your review comments as actionable and specific as possible. For example, a comment like, "This doesn't feel right," does not give developers on your project much to work with. If you can, provide the specific change you want to see. When multiple people are reviewing a module, assign one person to consolidate their thoughts and provide the final word. You may even want to indicate the importance of your feedback. Good to have versus absolutely essential. And if a comment has global impact, indicate that and we will action it accordingly. Last but not the least, if the comment has been actioned or no longer relevant, you can mark it resolved and it will disappear from the pane. But don't worry, you can always find all your comments by clicking on the Show Resolved Comments link. At the alpha stage, you are probably seeing the module for the very first time. We'd like you to provide feedback on content presentation, interactivity, navigation, all of that. We might use machine-generated voiceover as a placeholder at this stage, and you would want to ignore that. At the beta stage, we would have resolved most, if not all, your comments. Make sure your comments are actioned to your satisfaction. Unless critical, it is best not to introduce new edits at this stage, so we can get to the goal quickly and get you your e-learning module. That's it. Building a custom learning product is a collaborative process. And we look forward to your guidance as my team creates something that you would be proud to bring to your learners. Have fun!